DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
No, I didn't. 3 weeks ago, I didn't react to this. No, I didn't. Yeah. So we got some good shit we reacting to, man. Shout out to y'all with requests. Y'all been dropping fire all night. You know what I'm saying? Facts. Y'all been dropping fire all night, gang. What's wrong with these advertisements, bro? Whoa. So we're gonna do the Vybz Kartel fake, Josh in charge, and then we'll skip a Hellboy. You feel me? Then we're gonna keep going down the list just like that. Like up the video if you're coming in here, gang. You know what I'm saying? We're there. The reactions continue. Yeah, man. The next one we got is Vybz Kartel fake. Vybz Kartel. Who saw the track that Vybz Kartel, Fivio Foreign and Popcorn did? That was a dope track, man. That was a dope link up. Even the track before that with Vybz Kartel and just Popcorn, man. But they didn't get enough shine that they were supposed to do. Make sure you're liking up the live if it's coming in. But next track we're reacting to right now, Vybz Kartel fake. As you say the audio, check it out. So the world boss I deal with. You know, so this one should be a Vybz, bro. You know, Kartel, top caliber artist. Come on, let's get it, gang. Jump right. Vybz Kartel fake. Let's get it. With all the talk.
You're not fit talk. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the clean.
Whoa. I can't start it like that. Come on, gang. World boss. Man, the world boss will jump right now. Come on.
You say you're fake. You're not fit talk. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the cleanest smile. With the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it. You take a lot for be fraud. You take a lot for be fake. You really a go hard. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart.
Cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. That's a fact. People be like that.
Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it. You take a lot for be fraud. Me prefer be myself, dog. Me no pretend, dog. No, you're not real. Me see true. You like bread bag. Blaze the weed, me so.
Easy no my youth, Kartel no easy. No, you're not real. Sit you like bread bag, youth. Easy no man.
Dog, me no pretend, dog. No, you're not real. Me see true. You like bread bag. Blaze the weed, me so I me get jet lag. Brand new shows, me just pop off a next star. Them simple thing, they make boy a vex God. Grab your friend, girl.
Yo, me feel jet lag. You see me? Brand new shoes, me just pop off a next tag. Simple things like that make boy I get mad. That's a fact. People will hate you for nothing, bro. Just because you're living your life and just living good, people hate you for nothing, bro. Anything, bro. Come on.
Person that get grab, then you come and laugh for the man you fit dead, but them to your full clip in your lower than next mag. You see you fake, you're not fit talk. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, it take a lot to be fraud.
Man say how you do it. It take a lot to be fraud, you know. And that's a real shit, you know. It take a lot to be fake, you know, and pretending with people, you know, bro. Yes, him.
Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, it take a lot to be fraud. It take a lot to be fake, you really a go hard. Tell me you rate no, but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the cleanest smile with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, it take a lot to be fraud. You have a dozen gal, and still I look.
Come on, this nigga finna preach right now.
Your cousin gal pussy wall, and I tell the gal say fi keep it on the low. Cause boss your face, you can't defend it like Nandilo. The dog them are cooler than 0, 21 below. What man is that?
Listen to the man, bro. He's in my youth, you have a dozen gal. I still have a cousin gal, my youth. STS, my youth. Come on.
Boss your face, you can't defend it like Nandilo. The dog them are cooler than 0, 21 below. Bad mind is a sickness, bullet at the antidote, and no better rest with.
That's a fact, bro. That's a fact. Some people bad mind can't cure, you know. Matter you're nice to them and try to be kind to them, you know. Some of them bad mind can't cure a bullet half a bullet that.
Cooler than 0, 21 below. Bad mind is a sickness, bullet at the antidote, and no better rest with couple of range and a cantaloupe. All you want a girl who hang you with a panty rope. Cause she know where we know. But say you're fake, you're not fit that.
The man say all the girl want to hang you with a panty rope cause she know where we know. All the girl know say you're fake, bro. Damn.
When a
No,
girl
look
want
good.
hang you with a panty rope, cause she know where we know. Pussy you fake, you not fit talk. Tell me you real, no but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the cleanest smile, with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for be fraud. You take a lot for be fake, you really a go hard. Tell me you real, no but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the
Man say, yo, take a lot to be fraud. You really a go hard. You know that, cause much energy that if you keep this up, you go hard. You know me, G. You really
cleanest smile, with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for be fraud. Never be a hater, never be a traitor. You're not have to friendly, but never envy. Don't be
That's
no
a
bad
fact.
man, me tell you that.
You're not for friendly, no, bro, but don't be envious, me, G. You see me? Yeah, man, you have a power of the man there. I really link the man, but don't hate the man. I want to take away man life away. You see what I'm
Long
saying?
time,
Don't be
don't be
envious.
no bad man, me tell you that long time. Man a drink Hennessy and Red Bull, you a drink Guinness, you feel grateful. Hustle hard, if you get your plate full. Me no rate nobody way hateful. Work and pray and be faithful. You say you fake, you not fit talk. Tell me you real, no but I last me laugh. Give me
Yo, enough of them youth now, they can't make tune like them, you know. You see me, I said, they can't make conscious tune like them, because enough of them are the fake friend, you know. You see me, I said, enough you can't make tune like that, so you don't hear tune like them no more. I know if you're not in a situationally aware or socially conscious to make songs like these. Come on.
the cleanest smile, with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for me fraud. You take a lot for me fake, you really a go hard. Tell me you real, no but I laugh, me laugh. Give me the cleanest smile, with the dirtiest heart. Oh, you do it, you take a lot for me fraud.
That's crazy. Shout out to the world boss, the teacher himself, Vybz Kartel, G. No cap. Yeah, man, one of the best to ever do it, man. What you talking about, man? Big up your teacher himself. Yo, gang, yo, y'all, hey, man. Dope ass, y'all sending some dope ass requests, man. Let's catch up with the chat real quick, and then we're gonna jump back into some more reaction. All right, gang. All right, so where we at? We're gonna talk about the chat real quick, then we're gonna jump right back into reaction. But shout out Vybz Kartel, man, the teacher. Make sure not like up the live, people. Like up the lives. Give me the 20 likes. Give me the 30 likes, gang. Come on, like up the live, man. Like up the live. Give me the 30 likes. Come on, gang. Come on, gang. Give me the 30 likes. Well, yeah, man, gang. Vybz Kartel, the teacher, best to do it, man. That was a dope ass track. Very situational, very conscious, socially conscious type tune. You know what I'm saying? And people are like that. You know what I'm saying?